Hi everyone, Madan here. Do you know the speciality of October 2nd? Yes, yeah, we all know it is our Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, and it is also a day of non-violence. As a teetotaler, I must admit, I'm so happy that the all the liquor shops will be closed on that day. October 2nd is also an important day for me. Last year, 2024, that is when we started to um, deliver HabitZup Card Game to our friends and well-wishers. It was a very early stage concept of positive habits game in Uno kind of a form. Many parents asked a question like, "Why a card game?" Some people used it as a digital detox, like they don't want people to have a lot of screen time, and some people used as a conversation starter, and we also ran a couple of workshops in corporates to help the teams bond together well. And some people did ask tough questions, why a card game? My family doesn't treat card games well. All of us know last month, the Indian government had banned all money betting games online. And people used to treat the card games as those kind of games. It is kind of a teaches a wrong habit. But we wanted to choose a form factor which our next generation can use it easily and learn from it, use it positively. And like when I asked for feedbacks, how did they enjoy the game? Many times they said, they are busy, they didn't have time to play with kids. Kids need time. No, they use mobile, and they want an online version of this game, and etc. etc. I can totally understand what they are saying. And the world that we live in, it creates illusion that we are busy, and we are constantly chasing something which we wanted to achieve. Once we reach that goal, again revise the goal, keep on doing that. So I thought it would be a good idea to write a book to just share what I seen it from my experience, and also from my guru's teachings, and a life's experience itself. And a lot of things, like that's what I've written my book. I am not busy, a guide to conscious living. I've put heart and soul into it to help you declutter your mind and see life a bit differently. We all came from pandemic. We had a lot of learnings from it, and we understood what corona is capable of spreading so fast and affecting lives. We followed three simple things, right? So social distancing, hygiene, and vaccine to control the virus and solve the problem. So I was thinking a similar solution could be useful in this busy world, right? And that is giving me more motivation to say why we started Habits. A small game, which can be played in the family, and they understand each other, and they are able to solve their needs and the issues within their home. Just like how we maintain social distancing, and we wanted to contain within our home, and whatever my child needs or my parents need, someone who has um, you know the will and patience to you know work with the family and bring that peace. From HabitsHub, we have also created an online version of a product called HabitsHub Compass, India's mindfulness platform, to help everyone to develop mindfulness, self-awareness, emotional intelligence, resilience, and also community support. Whatever I've written in my book, I'm not busy. I've tried to bring life to it, and there are a lot of things that can be learned on the platform. Many things that can be practiced, which are self-reflective, and be it students, professionals, teachers, couples, everyone can use the platform and practice positive things. Just like how we use social distancing, hygiene, and vaccine to solve the pandemic. I'm sure with the HabitZup Card Game, HabitZup Compass, the online platform, and reading and reflecting on various books could be a solution that helps our busy world. I want to thank you all for watching all these videos. Please do spread the word about HabitZup. So let's spread positivity and how we can support us, our family, do one family at a time. That's the way to go. And advance happy birthday, Gandhiji. Jai Hind.